Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs and business enthusiasts. Ever wondered how big companies always seem to have the right products at the right time? Well, today we're diving into the world of product sourcing. It's a crucial skill for anyone looking to start or grow their business, especially if you're eyeing the vast market of Chinese manufacturers. I'm here to break it down for you, step by step. We'll cover what product sourcing is, the essential steps involved, and even explore whether you need a sourcing agent. So, let's get started. First things first, what exactly is product sourcing? Simply put, it's the process of finding and obtaining products to sell in your business. It's about identifying reliable suppliers who can provide quality goods at competitive prices. Think of it as the backbone of your business. Without good products, you've got nothing to sell. Now, why is this important for you? Well, if you're looking to start an e-commerce business or expand your current product line, sourcing is key. It can make or break your profit margins and customer satisfaction. Good sourcing means better products, happier customers, and a healthier bottom line. Let's break down the product sourcing steps. Step 1. Identify your product. This might seem obvious, but it's crucial. You need to know exactly what you want to sell. Do your market research, analyze trends, and choose a product that has demand. Step 2. Set your criteria. What quality standards are you looking for? What's your target price range? How much inventory do you need? These questions will guide your search. Step 3. Find potential suppliers. This is where things get interesting, especially when sourcing from China. You can use online platforms, attend trade shows, or even visit manufacturing hubs. We'll dive deeper into this in a bit. Step 4. Request samples and quotes. Never, ever skip this step. You need to see and feel the product yourself. Get quotes from multiple suppliers to compare prices and terms. Step 5. Negotiate and place your order. Once you've found the right supplier, it's time to talk business. Negotiate on price, minimum order quantities, and payment terms. Step 6. Quality control and shipping. Ensure the products meet your standards before they're shipped. Arrange for proper packaging and shipping to your warehouse or customers. Now, let's talk about where to source products. There are 4 common ways, and each has its pros and cons. First, online marketplaces like Alibaba or global sources. These platforms connect you directly with manufacturers. They're great for beginners because they're easy to use and offer some buyer protection. However, you'll be competing with many other buyers, and it can be hard to build lasting relationships. Second, trade shows. These are fantastic for meeting suppliers face-to-face and seeing products in person. The downside? They can be expensive to attend, especially if you're traveling to China. Third, sourcing companies or agents. These professionals can handle the entire process for you. They have established relationships with suppliers and can navigate language and cultural barriers. The catch? They charge fees, which can eat into your profits. Fourth, direct factory visits. This is the most hands-on approach. You visit factories yourself, see the production process, and build personal relationships. It's time-consuming and can be costly, but it often leads to the best long-term partnerships. So when do you need a sourcing agent? If you're just starting out and ordering small quantities, you might not need one. You can probably handle things yourself through online platforms. However, as your business grows, a sourcing agent can be invaluable. They're especially useful if you're dealing with complex products, large orders, or multiple suppliers. Agents can help you navigate the Chinese business landscape, overcome language barriers, and ensure quality control. They can also help you find the best deals and negotiate better terms. But remember, their services come at a cost. You'll need to weigh the benefits against the fees they charge. As your business evolves, you might start with direct sourcing and later transition to using an agent. Or you might use a mix of both, depending on the products and quantities you're ordering. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. It's all about what works best for your business at each stage of growth. Now let's talk about some common pitfalls in product sourcing. One big mistake is not doing enough research on your suppliers. Always check their credentials, ask for references, and if possible, visit their facilities. Another issue is poor communication. Be clear about your expectations from the start. Use detailed product specifications and quality standards. Don't assume anything, spell it out clearly. Neglecting quality control is another major no-no. Always inspect your goods before they ship. Consider hiring a third-party inspection service if you can't do it yourself. Lastly, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Having backup suppliers can save you if your main supplier has issues. Let's wrap this up with some final tips. Start small and scale up. It's okay to make mistakes, but it's better to make them on small orders. Build relationships with your suppliers. Good relationships can lead to better prices, priority treatment, and insider information on new products. Stay updated on market trends and regulations. The sourcing landscape is always changing, especially in China. Keep learning and adapting. And don't forget about ethical sourcing. Make sure your suppliers follow fair labor practices and environmental standards. It's not just good for the world, it's good for your brand too. Alright, that's a wrap on product sourcing. I hope this guide has given you a solid foundation to start your sourcing journey. Remember, sourcing is a skill that improves with practice. Don't be afraid to get out there and start making connections. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more business tips. Got questions about product sourcing? Visit our website yansourcing.com, or send us an email at info@yansourcing.com. I'd love to hear about your experiences and challenges. Until next time, happy sourcing!